In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on this Volkswagen Jetta TDI Wagon. This is going to be located behind the inner fender well on the passenger side. Let's get into it. In the back, we're going to pull this cover up. And then there's a cover underneath here. You want to pull that up as well. And you want to find the tool kit that comes with your vehicle for the spare tire. And you're looking for this hook or a hook that looks very similar to that. Grab that. Now take the caps off, just use the hook. Right in the center, pull those off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel, pull it off. I'm going to remove this panel, take these screws out, use a T25 socket. And on the other side as well. Take those out. And also these, same T25 socket. In the back, there's 3 screws. You want to take those out, use a T30 socket. Pull the panel down. Now just using a trim tool, some clips up here, just pull it out of those clips and it comes right down. Now we're going to take these screws out on the inner fender well, use a T25 socket, take these out. There. Take those out and grab this piece and slide this off. It comes out. Now using a 16mm socket, I'm going to loosen the tension on the tensioner. You want to turn it to the right, like as if you're tightening it. And then I'm going to use a 1/8 Allen key or hex key. There's a hole right here. Just push that through. That's just going to hold the tension off the belt. You can take the belt off the crank pulley, off the tensioner pulley, off the alternator, and off the AC compressor. And there's the belt. Now take the new belt, go up around the alternator, have it come down over the AC compressor, go over the crank pulley, and then slide it over the tensioner, just like that. Make sure it's around all the pulleys. That looks good. Now take a little bit of the tension off the Allen key. Pull that out and release it. Again, double check all your pulleys. They look good. And get some of the bolts started. Just to hold it up. That's good. And I'll take the shield underneath, get it lined up, and push it in place. That's good. Get all the bolts started, and get the bolts started. Snug these down. And the ones on the side, get those started. And get these in and tighten them down. Take the wheel, get that lined up. Take the lug bolts, get those started. Snug that down, then you can put the other ones on. It is a little bit easier to do it with the socket. Snug these down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. And take the caps and just push those in place. After you're done, you want to put the hook back, go back to your spare tire, find the toolkit, and install it in the toolkit.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.